Good morning, everyone. So for today's discussion, we will be talking about the learning enhancement and in the majorship. Let's be reviewing about some mathematical problems that for sure we will going to encounter when we will be taking our board exams. So stay put, just relax and watch the video. So hi everyone, so we will be tackling with the majorship or the major part of our learning enhancement. Okay, so number 1, what is the volume of a right circular cylinder of height h and radius r? A. 1/2 pi r squared h, B. 1/3 pi r squared h, C. 2 pi r squared h, and letter D. pi r squared h. So in this kind of question, we will be focusing on the given terms. If in this case, since the given terms is just a number, is just a variable, or is just a unsay tawagan na nila mga alphabets, mga letters, that's the thing, letters. We need just to clarify if ang gipangita bagayod day ani niya is somehow ang formula lang. So for the answer is letter D. So why is it nga letter D man? So the formula in finding the volume of a right circular cylinder is V, or the volume, is equal to pi r squared h. So wherein ang r is the radius, h is the height, h is the height. So therefore the answer is volume is equal to pi r squared h. Okay, so for number 2, a TV set that originally cost $20,000 is now sold at $18,000. So what is the percentage decrease in the price of the TV set? So in this kind of problem, everyone, you need to analyze the given terms, you need to analyze the questions, you need to analyze the problem itself. Kay dili ka magpataka, kay dili mata makapataka og formulate sa atong answer if we cannot analyze the problem first, okay? So with that, atong solution is 20,000 kato si ang iyahang original price minus sa ang ibaligya na lang. So 20,000 minus 18,000 over 20,000. So we have 2,000 over 20,000. So that is 0.01 if you divide it. So after that, we can now get 0.1 times 100 in percent. So that is why we have 10%. So therefore, na ay nag-decrease nga 10% sa original price. Kung anong kato ang iyang nabaligya na lang. Instead of 20k, gibaligya og 18%, 18,000, therefore na ay 10% nga discount. Okay, for number 3, if the probability that it will rain today is 5/8, so what is the probability that it will not? A 1/8, B 100, C 3/8, D 1/4. So the answer is 1A. The answer is 3/8. Nga naman. Kaya ang given term is that ang probability ko nga muuwan karon is 5/8. So ang probability nga anon is ang dili ko na muuwan karon. So let us set some variables para dili ta maglibog. Si PA, probability that it will rain today. Si PB, the probability that it will not rain today. So therefore, atong i-substitute ilang mga given terms. Si PA ko no 5/8. Tapos ang whole, atong ibutang ang whole, ang probability is 1. Since na may 5/8 nga probability nga dili muuwan karon, so most approximately ato siyang i-minus sa whole probability nga 1, minusan na to ang 1 ni 5/8. Therefore, ang mahabilin mao na siya ang probability nga dili muuwan karon. So therefore, the probability that it will not rain today is 3/8, since 1 minus 5/8 is equal to 3/8. Very good, mga bright na akong student. Okay, next. Ngano, di naman ni siya next. Okay. For number 4, find the distance between 3, 2 and negative 1, 4. Sayon raman kay ni kay mo gamit ra taog distance formula whenever there are problems that is talking about the distance na ay given dayon duha ka points with the paired coordinates. So therefore, we will be using the distance formula. So, for everyone nga wala kay sa distance formula, this is the formula for this. So, D is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared, wherein ang D is the distance, the x sub 1 and x sub 2 is the coordinates of the first point, and y sub 1 and y sub 2 is the coordinates of the second point. So, ang mga given points is 3, 2, and negative 1, 4. So, after na mo mahibawaan ang formula, after mo mahibawaan ang mga given points, mo din ang i-extract nga si x sub 1 is the 3, is 3, kani sa negative 1 is x sub 2, si 2 is y sub 1, and 4 is y sub 2. So, after extracting the given points to the variables, so ato na dayon nang i-substitute sa formula. D is negative 1 D is the square root of negative 1 minus negative 3 squared plus 4 minus 2 squared. So next, ganong dugay man ni siya makuha ano asa naman ta ato? What's up guys, ha? Okay, next is simplify. So, we will now going to simplify those terms nga atong gi-extract sa formula, atong gi-substitute, and then we get the distance is equal to 2 to the square root square root of 5. So, therefore, ang distance di ay sa point nga si 3, 2, and point ni negative 1, 4 is 2 to the square root of 5. Di na lagi ni makuan ay. Next is the total. Number 5. What is the total surface area of a cubic box? Is 600 centimeters squared. So, what is the length of one side of this box? So, ato ra po na siyang so, therefore, balance na ako na dira ha kay para makita. Okay. Ang formula nato is area is equal to 6a squared, wherein ang kanang a nga dako is the surface area of a cube, while ang a nga gamay is the edge or the length of a cube. So na naman they given nga 600 sa surface area. So sa may unknown ang a, which is the edge. So i-substitute na nato si 600 sa area, and then after substituting atong gi-simplify. And after simplifying, we get 10 centimeter. Therefore, the length of one side of this box is 10 centimeter. So next. Okay, ato na lang yung inanion kay di man next eh. So, okay. Miss Amante weighed 60 kilograms. She lost 4 kilograms in her first week of exercise, gained 2 kilograms on her second week, lost 6 kilograms on third week, and remained her weight during the fourth week. So, what was her weight on the fourth week? A, 52 kilogram, B, 58, 68, and 72. So, let's find out pila na lang ka kilograms si Miss Amante. So, the answer would be letter A. So, ginsama na. For the given term, we have Miss Amante's weight. So, iyang original weight ko ni Miss Amante is 60 kilogram. So, pag-abot sa first week sa exercise, ang iyan na lang kilo, iyang na-lost nga kilo, iyang nawagtang nga kilo is 4 kilogram. Therefore, ang iyang kilo na time is 60 minus 4. And then, we have 56 kilogram. So, sa second week niya nga exercise is nag-gain na sa siya og 2 kilograms. So, 56 plus 2 is 58 kilogram. So, for her third week of exercise, she lost 6 kilogram. So, 58 minus 6 is 52. So for the 4th week of exercise, remained rayang weight sa 3rd week of exercise. So therefore, her weight is still 52 kilogram. So ang gipangutana is pila man ang yang kilogram pag 4th week. Therefore, her weight on the 4th week is 52 kilogram. So, kana siya, tinamban to siya pamaagi, pero nasa'y mas dali. Ganahan man tag mas dali, kay dali man ta maabot sa kanang kuan sa labi na in taking board exams. There are times times allotted for us to answer that specific field, like sa gen ed, sa proof ed, and for the majorship. And then we need to be faster in terms of answering those questions. Okay, there are I guess 150 items or 120 basta with that, and then it should be nga mas dali ta makaka-catch up sa unsay pangutana sa problem para dali po nato ma-formulate ang answer. So for the easiest way, kay sayon ra jud kay imo ra siya i-minus kay 60 kg man to no. Ya pag 4th week niya na minusan og 4, pag first week niya na minus og 4, pag second week na plus og 2, pag third week na minusan og 6, ya pag 4th week is remained lang. So therefore 60 minus 4 plus 2 minus 6 plus 0 is 52 kilogram. Dali na kayo. So number 7. Julius has 15,000 in the bank. After a year, he expects it to earn 750 pesos. So what is the rate of interest? So the rate of interest, sayo na jud kaayo ang iyahang formula. We have R is equal to interest P over P times T, wherein ang R is the interest rate, R is the simple interest, P is the principal, and T is the time. So we need to put the given terms. I for 750, principal is 15,000, time is 1 since it's annually. And then we need to substitute those terms. Therefore, after substituting, simplify, and after simplifying, we get 5%. Therefore, ang rate of interest dito niya is 5%. Okay, next. Nasaan din siya ma-next? Okay, for number 8. The ratio of two numbers is 5:3, and their difference is 20. What are the numbers? So ang given ko no is 5:3, and then ang ilahang difference is 20. So atong ilet ang number B, atong ilet ang kada ratio ba? Ang kada ratio nga. Ang si 5x niya, ang si x 3x, para makuha na to ilang difference. So therefore, para makuha din na to ang ilahang x or given, makuha nila ilang x value or the value of x. So 5x minus 3x is equals to 2x. And then ang 20, ikon sa ubos. And then 2x, divide both sides by 2 para matangtang si 2x, x na lang mabilin. So therefore, 20 divide 2 is 10. So ang value din sa x na to is 10. So para makuha na to ang mga given points nila is that ato ang i-extract ang value ni 10 sa kada x. So 5x. Okay. So bali, ang first number is 5x. So 5 times 10 is 50. So sa second number is 3x. So 3 times 10 is 30. Therefore, ang katong duha di ay ka numbers nga atong gipangita nga ang ilang difference is 20. Nya ang ilaha pong ratio is 5:3. So 50 and 30. So number 9. What do you call an equality of two ratios? Sayon na kayo ni siya. So, ang duha day ka ratio, everyone, for those who do not have any idea, is that ang quotient, atong i-define lang ang mga choices ha para makuan. So, si quotient, result na siya in dividing terms. Quantity by another, ang fraction, kato ng 1/4, katong. And then, for the percentage, it is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction, and it is often denoted using the percent sign. And for the proportion, it is an equation in which two ratios are equal or set equal to each other. So therefore, the answer is ratio. Okay, for the last number, we have what is the value of 3.5 kilograms in grams? So, sayo na kayo na, natay conversions. Pero atong una-unaan, nga pila ka gramo ang nasa sa kakilo. So, therefore, naay 1,000 ka gramo ang nasa sa kakilo. So, 3.5 kilograms is equal to blank grams. So, para mahibawan na to is that, ang 3.5 kilograms, i-over na to 1 para ang bisan pag wala na siya invisible na dyan ay always over 1, and then is equal to 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. So it times nimo si 3.5 kilograms to 1,000 kilograms. So therefore we have 3,500 grams. So therefore the value of 3.5 kilograms in grams is 3,500. I guess that would be all for the majorship part of our learning enhancement. I hope that you do learn something from our discussion for today. Thank you everyone. God bless and keep safe.